Hello friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I welcome you all to yet another lecture on Java using Netbeans IDE. To all my new viewers, I would like to ask them to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Please comment, share and also press the bell icon. So the topic for today is how to calculate factorial of a number. Factorial of a number is product of all numbers from 1 to n. That means factorial of n is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on till n. Factorial of 1 is 1, factorial of 2 is equal to 1 into 2, 2, factorial of 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3, that's 6, factorial of 4 equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24, and factorial of 5 equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, that's 120, and so on. So factorial can be very lengthy, so we will calculate some of the factorials using long. For bigger numbers, the factorial is used calculated by using a big integer class in the Java that's inbuilt. So but we'll talk about factorial for simple small numbers today. So let's begin by creating a factorial class. Let's create a function public static int factorial. In fact, since factorials could be large, we should use long, and we will use a number long n. So the first condition would be if n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, then return 1, else we should return n into factorial n minus 1. So this is a simple function to return the factorial. Let's try it out. So let's calculate factorials of some numbers. So I have printed the factorial for all the numbers from 0 to 10. Here we can check the condition n smaller than equal to 0. I would like to rectify, because if I do not place this condition, n into factorial n minus 1 would become an infinite loop while recursion. So let's print. So it's printing 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120, 720, 5040, 40,320, 3,62,880 and 36,28,800 and so on. So it's calculating factorial successfully. So that's it for today. Hope you liked my video. Bye bye.